Hi, and welcome to this walkthrough of the Hide My Ass Pro VPN. First thing we have to do is to go into the Pro VPN on the hidemyass.com homepage. If you have not already bought access, you of course have to do that first. You can buy 1 month, 6 months and 1 year. Since I already had access, I'm just gonna log in first. Then when you're logged in, you're gonna come to this dashboard or control panel. What we're interested in here is just to download the newest version of the software, so we're gonna click on the version we need. In my example, it's gonna be Mac. And then in here I can download it and install it. As soon as you have installed it, you'll get a program which is looking something like this. So the first thing you have to do is enter a username and your password. This is the same username and password you're using on the home page. Then under here we have a quick VPN country change where we can choose the server we want to connect to. We have all the servers here with the cities and so on. Let's say we want to connect to USA, Arizona, Phoenix. And then we can just click connect to VPN. In the country selections we have a more detailed look over it. Here we have the map overview. It is not working right now, but in your screen you'll see all the different VPNs in the different cities in the map. We have the country selections where we have all the servers again, where we can expand them and they're grouped together, so it's really nice. Then in IP address settings, in here we can change the IP when we're connected to a server. Let's say that Hulu.com, they have blocked the IP you're using right now. Then you can just go in here and say change IP, and then you should have access again. Speed guide. In here you can test how fast the server is. Right now I'm sitting in Philippines, so the nearest server is Hong Kong. So let me try to make a speed test. I'll just use the express test. And then it's gonna download a small file, it's gonna upload a small file. And we can see I had a ping time, download test, upload test, and it's quite good when I'm sitting in Philippines. So you can do that. Let's say you want to connect to a server in Australia, you can choose these two. And then you can run an express test on these two and see which one is fastest for you. Proxy settings, I'm not going to go into, and billing and packets is where you can manage your billings. Let's try to connect to, let's just take this server here and connect. Since this is the first time, I know it's gonna come up with a small error because I apparently need an extra program to run it here on my Mac. It is not, I'm not sure if it's on every Mac or if it is the same on Windows, but as you can see here, the TuneTap driver is not installed. You just click OK, it's gonna refer you to a new home page where you can download and install it. I'm just gonna do that and then I'll get back. Okay, I'm back again. It should all work now. You just have to install this little extra program and let's try it again. We have the US server here and we're going to try to connect to VPN. This is gonna take a little while, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and then you're connected. As you can see here, when you're successfully connected, it's gonna give a connected up here. It's gonna show my original IP address location, Philippines. It's gonna show me that now my new ISP location is in US, Arizona, and my new IP is this. If I want to change my IP address, I can just click change IP address. And again, if I want to change country, I can click here and change to another country. So it's pretty easy to connect to any country you like. Let's say you want to watch BBC Live, then you just connect to a UK server and you can watch BBC Live. Or US in my example, and I want to watch some Hulu. So pretty easy. That's all from me. Bye bye.